Hi there, we visited some relatives in Berlin and I thought maybe it's a good idea to just check out Grünheide and the new Tesla site a little bit. So that's what we're going to do today. See you later. In the meantime, I arrived on the site and it's really mind-blowing what they have done here. It's really astonishing. So I'm at the railways at the moment, the bridge over the railways, and I will just make a little turn now. You see back there, fully automated harvesters are working, and there is a lot of timber already made in neat files and rows. So huge progress already. I'm really astonished. Let's take some closer look at this. So there's really big activity ongoing here. Standing next to the street, so I guess there will be some car sounds. Das ist verrückt, wie schnell das geht. Und dann immer gleich die Kettensäge. Always the chainsaw, quickly cutting off the different trunk trees. Quite impressive, quite quick. Also ist echt sehr schnell und sehr, sehr imposant, wie das vor sich geht. Now there is a second automatic tree felling machine working back there, and for Saturday, big business here. Lots of traffic. You can see police over there, and they have already a checkpoint here, so not everybody can enter the construction site. Here you can see the road sign for the access to the highway, and lots of timber already made. Lots of timber. So that's it for today, with a little wrap up from the Gigafactory construction site. There was a mind-blowing progress done, and they keep continuing working through the night. You can see in the background still those full automated tree felling machines working. So if you liked it, just give me your thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you soon.